Dear teachers, welcome to this new session. Hope you would have learned to create a class in Google Classroom. In this video, let me explain you to create an assignment that is an objective type test in Google Classroom. In my Google Classroom, I have created 3 classes. I am going to set test assignment for class 6. So, I click on the 6th science class. I get an interface like this. Here on top you can see Stream where you can send messages and announcements to your class. Next is Classwork. Here only we are going to create the test assignment. Next is People. In this you can view the children who have joined in your class. Next is Grade. Here you can see the grade points of the children. Click on the Classwork to create the test assignment. Click on the Create menu which is in blue color. You will find many sub-menus under that. Click on Assignment. Then you can type the title of your test assignment. I have typed my title as Getting to Know Plants. Under that, you can give any instructions regarding the test. This is optional. After that, click on Create. You can find many menus like Documents, Slides, Sheets, Drawings, and Forms. Click on Forms. A new Google form has been created in your classroom. As it is untitled, you can give your title. I have typed my title as Getting to Know Plants. The first important thing is you have to collect all the necessary details of the students. For that, click on gear wheel symbol that is setting on the right top. You will get an interface like this. First, give a tick on Collect Email Addresses. If you want the email ID of your students to reflect in the response receipts, click Response Receipts also. Here, I don't want that, so I have not selected. Then, give a tick mark in Limit to 1 response. This avoids the students to attend the test more than one time. Respondents should not edit after submitting their assignment. So don't click that. Last also no need to click. Then click Save. Now a column for collect email of the students has been created. Next you have to get your students' details. Type name of the student. Then open the menu box at the right hand side and select short answer and click on the required button every time so that children would not skip that question. Then click on the plus sign for the next question. Type roll number and set that also as short answer. Then click on required button. Click plus sign for the next question. Type class and section. If you need to give options, you have to select multiple choice in the menu box. I have given options as 6A, 6B and 6C one by one. Switch on the required button always. Next, you can type your questions by clicking plus symbol. But I don't want my students to see the questions on the first page itself. So I would like to open a new section for the MCQ. So select the last double box at the right hand side. Now a new untitled section has been created. I have typed the title as Choose the Correct Answer. In this section, you can add any number of multiple choice questions by clicking the plus sign at the right hand side. Now type your questions. By default, it will be in the multiple choice mode. If not, select multiple choice from the menu box. Then type the necessary answer options one by one. Just for a sample, I have typed 3 multiple choice questions with options. Now I have to set the answer key. To set answer key, click the gear wheel symbol that is setting on the top. You will get an interface like this. Now click on Quizzes. Then you will get an interface like this. Now click on Make this as quiz. Then as it is a quiz, click on Release grade immediately after each submission so that the children can get their grade immediately after their submission. Don't click on Later after manual review. Because we are not going to do any manual evaluation. Under respondent can see, click on missed questions so that children can know their wrong answers. If you want the children to know which is the correct answer, you click on the correct answer. But it is not safe to switch on that because children those who have completed may convey the correct answers to their friends. So I have not selected the correct answer. Mark tick on the point values and click on save. Now you will get the answer key menu at the left bottom of each question. Click on the answer key and select the correct answer option. You will get a green color tick near the answer. Then set grade point for the question. I have given 1 mark for each question. Switch on the required button always. Teachers, let us continue in the next video. Thank you.